Yesterday, I did not see anything like that whatsoever. I was hoping to get a little bit of a glimpse, Damon.
Yeah, we didn't get as strong of that geomagnetic storm down this way, so tough to see the colors.
Scientific term for the northern lights.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, yeah, the geomagnetic storm, bringing it all in, so yeah.
Speaking of storms, should we be worried about this weekend?
So you got the northern lights, now we're talking snow. It's all lining up here, but yeah, we definitely are watching this weekend extremely closely. And overall, folks, at this point, I don't think it hurts to prepare a little bit for that likelihood of some pretty impactful weather heading into late Saturday and Sunday. Now, nothing impactful out there right now other than the cold. Our view of out toward D.C. here toward the Capitol is rather sunny, and our camera's not shaking as much as it was earlier on today, so the wind has been letting up, but overall, we just have not been able to snap out of this latest round of colder air. We basically have had temperatures hovering around freezing, and if not in the upper 20s off to the north there. Yeah, that's definitely cold considering the fact that mid-January, we average out in the mid-40s each afternoon with our high temperatures. So we're well below that. Here are those wind gusts. They aren't totally calm as of yet, but they are trending in the right direction. We're only seeing wind gusts around 15 to 20 miles per hour, but that still is enough to have an effect. The wind chill out there is about 10, even 15 degrees below. The air temps in the teens and low 20s, so it continues to be a very frigid day, and that trend will continue as we head into the night. And this high pressure slides on past us here to our south. Now, that high is going to be close enough that finally our winds do go calm tonight to where the wind chill is not a factor, but it doesn't matter because our temperatures are still going to dip down to a very low level, and it's going to be frigid out there early tomorrow morning with most of us waking up to the teens. Now, right around D.C., over toward the Chesapeake, it likely does stay in the low 20s, but that's not much of an improvement. Now, speaking of improvements, look at this. As we head into your Wednesday afternoon, just like that, we snap out of this cold blast that we are in here today as the wind direction flips and we see southerly winds return tomorrow. We make a run right back up to around 40 degrees. And Thursday will be more of the same. But then, as we head into this upcoming weekend, all the ingredients are lining up. And we've already been talking about this, but with another day of weather data, model runs under our belt, we're starting to gain some confidence in that likelihood of a pretty impactful snow event across the DMV this weekend. We've already mentioned it. The cold is going to be there. That can't be underestimated. Temperatures are only going to be in the 20s, 4-hour highs on Saturday and Sunday. And again, that storm path and the overall setup, all those ingredients are lining up for that impactful snow to be likely. Now, we can't quite get into the exact amount of snowfall that we could end up seeing, where that heaviest snow may end up in the DMV. But at this point, like I just mentioned, no need to panic, but it's definitely pays to prepare a little bit ahead of time. If you need to go and stock up on some of those medications out there, perhaps just make sure if you have a generator, have that ready to go just in case the power goes out. And yeah, just be ready for conditions to get pretty treacherous and travel to be pretty difficult Saturday into Sunday as we progress along toward this upcoming weekend storm. And now to give some context, the last time we had over 6 inches of snow in one day was just last year, early January. Many of us may remember that snowstorm that came in and brought 8 inches to the DMV. And then you have to double back a good bit to find the last time we had over 10 inches in one day. That was part of the snowstorm that happened in late January 2016. We got 11 inches one day, another 6 to 7 the following day. And then if you want to go for over a foot in one day, you have to go all the way back to 2009. So that's the kind of rarefied air that perhaps we may end up be dealing with here with this storm system. So a DMV first one already in effect on Sunday, which is when the worst of this storm should swing through, but snow could begin as early as Saturday, and then we'll continue to watch as that cold sticks around into early next week.
Remember those snow